Hey guys, IPXD2, intrusion detection setup. Let's get right to it. First thing we'll do here is click our setup button. All right guys, just a heads up. For any of this master-slave linkage stuff to work, first you have to run the calibration process from within the PTZ menu. So make sure that you use the link located in the description of this video or located up here in the corner to go straight to that calibration video before you continue watching this one. Once we are in the setup, we will enable intrusion detection and we will go into its settings. Here, when we go into its settings, the first thing that we'll make sure to do is create a detection rule by clicking on this plus sign. After clicking the plus sign to create the detection rule, we will create the shape that we want using our mouse. Now, very important that you note here on the right-hand side that we have a slider called time threshold. This slider is not available in the enter area analytic and is the main differentiator between that analytic and this one. So we're going to go ahead and set it to 5 seconds. And the idea is that the analytic will not be triggered unless the object of interest has been standing in that perimeter for at least 5 seconds. We'll make sure to go into trigger actions and enable master-slave linkage. Master-slave linkage is what we call the way that we perform auto tracking based on a fixed camera that's observing a scene and the analytics that are being triggered in that camera, essentially triggering the PTZ to perform auto tracking of the object of interest. Once we have master-slave linkage enabled and we save that, we can go back out, save once again, and we will go to our live view where you will see me breach the perimeter, and this time the PTZ camera will not be summoned to auto track me until I have occupied that space for 5 seconds, just as we set in our time threshold. 5 seconds, boom, camera starts following me around. Beautiful. Now I'll show you guys how to do the same exact thing here in the recorder. Here at the recorder, we go into the smart section. Once we go into the smart section and choose our camera from the drop down, we will go ahead and enable intrusion detection. We will go into its settings so we can create a rule just like we did when we set it up at the camera. We will create draw area to begin to create the area of interest. We also have our time threshold, which again, I will set to 5 seconds and I'll increase the sensitivity just a bit. After that, I'm gonna go into trigger actions, and the difference here is that I will make sure that both my still camera and my PTZ camera are both set to record. So once we have that set up, we'll click save. Again, we'll come back out to the live view so that you can see me demonstrate the VCA by occupying that space for no less than 5 seconds before that PTZ will start to auto track me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Eclipse CCTV for more info on our security systems and hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss our next video.